OV101 is actually pretty cool because it was really the first therapeutic that was that targeted something that's wrong with a neuron in Angelman syndrome. So it actually doesn't necessarily, it wasn't designed, I think, to target a symptom per se. It was designed to target something that we knew was wrong with a neuron in Angelman syndrome. The shRNA approach is designed to put the gene back that's missing. And so when we put the gene back that's missing, it obviously has the capacity to fix a lot, to fix almost everything that's wrong with Angelman syndrome. But remember, Angelman syndrome is a neurodevelopmental disorder. And so a lot of neural development happens in the womb, before the baby's born. And then some neurodevelopment happens after a baby's born and as a child develops. And so depending on where we're able to deliver that gene back, some of development might be hard to completely fix. And we also think that we're probably not going to be able to totally restore the exact amounts of UBE3A that's necessary for total typical development. And so, whereas the shRNA is meant to be a quote unquote curative therapy, it's probably not going to take a child with Angelman syndrome and make them totally typical. And so there's still going to be deficits, and this is where OV101 will be super important, is we think that OV101 added to therapies such as the shRNA therapy or maybe the ASO therapies that are coming out, it may help make that therapy work to its best potential. And so we think that it's going to put the icing on the cake in order of, in terms of helping children. And so of course that has to be tested. And we need some of these therapies, and we need to see how well they work. The ASO therapies and the shRNA therapies, we need to see how well they work first. And then OV101 might be a really important additive to those therapies to make everything work optimally.